We've survived Black Friday, but for many, the holiday spending has just begun. If you want to spread the cost of a purchase with a 0% purchase credit card, or earn a little back on your gift spend with a cashback card, here are our top picks for credit cards in December in all of these top categories. Our top 0% purchase card in December is the Barclaycard Platinum All-Rounder, with 21 months interest-free on purchases from the date you open your account. The card also offers up to 18 months interest-free on balance transfers if you want a dual-purpose card. There's no account fee to use this card, but the 0% purchase deal is only available to new customers, and not everyone who applies for this card will get the full 21 months interest-free. Depending on your credit history, you may be offered a shorter 0% purchase period. Over the years, few cards have been able to knock the Amex Cashback Everyday card from its top spot. This card offers 5% cashback on eligible purchases for your first 3 months, up to £100 total cashback, and an ongoing earn rate of 0.5% cashback on spending less than 10k, 1% on spending over 10k. There's no account fee to use this card, but be aware that you'll need to spend a minimum of £3,000 each year to qualify for the cashback offer. And if you don't pay off your card in full each month, you could end up paying more in interest than you would earn in cashback. The Amex Preferred Rewards Gold Card is our December top pick for rewards cards, with a limited time offer of 25,000 welcome points when you spend 3k in your first 3 months, and an additional 5,000 points if you spend anything on your card in your 15th month. 4 complimentary airport lounge visits per year, and loads of extra perks to unlock in the app. The first year is free, after which you'll pay a pretty chunky annual fee of 195 quid, a potential downside if you are looking for a card with no fees. As long as you pay off your balance in full each month, the Barclaycard Rewards Visa comes with no fees on spending and cash withdrawals abroad. And you can even earn a little as you go, with 0.25% cashback on most spending. The account is free to use, but the qualifying criteria are quite strict, so check in advance to see if you're eligible. December's top balance transfer card is the Barclaycard Platinum 29-month card, which comes with an introductory interest-free period of 29 months on balances, plus the option to register for Barclaycard Cashback Rewards and earn up to 15% at selected retailers. There's no account fee to use this card, but there is quite a high balance transfer fee of 3.45%, a minimum annual income requirement of £20,000, and not everyone accepted for this card will get the full 29 months. If you're looking to build or improve your credit this month, the Tesco Foundation credit card could be a good option. This card accepts people with no or bad credit history, comes with regular credit limit increases when eligible, and the ability to keep track of your credit score for free via Tesco Bank's online credit view service. This card has no account fee, but it does come with higher interest rates that typically come with credit builder cards, low starting credit limits, and a 3.99% cash advance fee, which includes gambling transactions. You can also earn club card points on this card, but do be mindful not to start racking up extra debt just to take advantage of this perk. For more information on the best credit cards and to compare your options, head to finder.com by clicking this link here. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button below for more videos just like this one. Until next time, thanks for watching.